Hello, everyone. So we are live. Thank you so much for joining in. And very soon, Mr. Madhusudan is going to be there with us. And so Madhusudan ji doesn't need any introduction, but yes, I need to introduce him. He's a very celebrated journalist and a very senior editor. He used to work for NDTV for almost 13 years, and that's what Mr. Madhusudan, and that's a very small fraction of his life that we have that I have told you. And rest today we are going to see him as a father, as a father with a child with autism. Of course, now he's turned out to be a man, a handsome young man. So he's almost in his late 20s. So we are going to talk about Mr. Madhusudan, about the whole journey that he has seen, and he has seen the ups and downs of Abhimanyu, and so Abhimanyu, and he's being a very close connect. He has a very close connect with Abhimanyu, and with somebody with spectrum, how he has created his communication, how he has seen now his adult life. So we are going to cover all of that. We are also going to take up some questions that the viewers have been asking, and or whatever is going to be there. Hello, Mr. Madhusudan. How are you?
You're very comfortable with Instagram. I'm a lallu. Okay.
We all are boomers. We all
And
are
I'm
boomers.
saying that there is a friend of mine from two, three friends of mine, Mohammed Wahid and Suman Makar Soin, are listening to this. एकदम से
Okay.
चैन आया कि अब दोस्त लोग देख रहे हैं तो सब माफ होगा, खून माफ होंगे.
I'm sure. I'm sure. So we all are boomers, and we all are collectively, in this. And I am thankful for my daughter to be, making me savvy. And that's why, she instantly said, "Okay, let's go live on Instagram. I don't know why you haven't done it for so long." And I said, "Okay, let me do it." So
शक्ल दिखाएंगे कहाँ पे तुमसे दूर बैठी है पास में बैठी है.
she's here, right here. I'm just going to call you. Call her.
Shriman,
Say
hi.
hi.
Thanks for walking me through the connectivity. My wife also helped from here. I am
Yeah.
a very debutant Instagrammer. मेरे को पहली बार Instagram लाइव कर रहा हूँ. ज्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है. लेकिन आपका टाइम ना जाया करते हुए चलते हैं ऑटिज्म की ओर और अभिमन्यु की ओर. Because I'll carry the phone around and take you to his bedroom. He's had his food. He's
That's
almost retired.
that's going to be wonderful. So we are going to say hello to Abhimanyu.
Yeah.
And very soon, I saw him like 14 years back. So I'm going to be seeing him after 14 years. I don't know how his reaction would be.
नहीं, हाँ, fine. Oh, you met him 14 years back. Did you meet his dadi at that time? That's his dadi.
Oh, I haven't. Hello, Dadi ji. Namaskar. Namaskar, मैं शिवानी.
Teacher at Action for Autism.
मैं बहुत अभिमन्यु की टीचर रही थी, बहुत पहले, कुछ थोड़े टाइम के लिए, जब ट्रेनिंग चल रही थी मेरी एक्शन फॉर ऑटिज्म में. सो थैंक्स टू मैरी एंड एवरीबडी, एंड
Which year?
अभिमन्यु was
2007, Shivani, which year?
this was, yes, 2007 and 2008. So long time, बहुत बहुत साल पहले हो गया. तो ऐसे लग रहा है.
I'm only 86 years young, so she tends to forget a little like me.
No, every day for a month.
That was in
Every
2000.
day is a challenge, every day is, and we all get inspired by people like Dadiji and everyone.
I'm
आप
not okay, so it's bedtime for her, so please say good night to her.
Good night.
Good night.
okay, good night. Thank you so much, Dadiji.
सब लोग मैंने इंक्लूडेड 4 बजे उठ जाते हैं सुबह और 8 बजे तक डिनर, 7:30 7:30 डिनर होके 8 बजे तक सोने की तैयारी होती है.
I'm
तो
sure.
ये है आपके सब्जेक्ट आज के.
Lovely. Hello, Mr. Abhi. How are you?
क्या
Do
बोलेंगे?
you remember me?
शिवा- और ये आजकल इनका गाना चल रहा है, अजनबी ये छोरियां,
दिल
बड़ी
पे
हल्की
डाले
आवाज में, काले डोरियां, काले मन की काली, दैट्स हिज सॉन्ग आजकल. सो
वाला
फादर्स डे, वो तो
वो
कोई और थी जो आंखों में समा गई. सबको लव यू एंड गुड नाइट. सोने का टाइम हो रहा है.
for a
गुड
well, that's wonderful.
एंड सोने का टाइम. तो अभी वैसे ये इतना सोने का बोल के अभी घंटा डेढ़ लगाएंगे, कई बार पूरी पूरी रात भी लगाते हैं. अभी एक दिन नाइट शिफ्ट लगाई है. इनकी
तो
उम्र
इसीलिए
28.
बेटर.
अच्छा, बेटर फ्रेम है ना. दिस इज अ बेटर फ्रेम एंड देयर ही इज. सो आई विल बी राइट
Okay.
हियर
See, we can all
बिकॉज
see him. Thank you very much. Yes, definitely.
आई एम ऑन द बेड.
Hey, good
और
night. That's
hey,
really nice of you to go to bed
Shivani,
so well.
to reach out to friends who are joining. There's a friend called Tessie Saha who was my college junior and who is the aunt to Abhimanyu's best friend, who is also
Okay,
autistic, Nitin, who is a month younger than Abhimanyu. So Tessie
all right.
Saha actually has joined from Bangalore and is looking
Okay.
on. अब क्या बताऊं, तुम सवाल पूछो मैं जवाब दूं, कैसे होता है इंस्टाग्राम में.
ऐसे ही होता है. आई वॉन्टेड टू बिकॉज हमारे जो सेंटर में जो पेरेंट्स एसोसिएटेड हैं, दे वेरी वेरी न्यू पेरेंट्स, आई वुड से वेरी न्यूली डायग्नोस्ड autism or any other disability, intellectual disability, so mixed form of disabilities. So they're really looking forward to see through the eyes of the father, you know, how you have traveled through this and how you made your journey the way, and how you've kept your emotional integrity, and how you've kept yourself composed, and how you planned everything, whatever comes in your mind. That is, we can, it could be like, and how was, maybe we can just start from how you took it after his diagnosis. Soon as he was diagnosed, what happened? What happened to you? What happened to Shubhra? What happened to the family? How you took it? And I'm talking about like 20 odd years back, 25 years back.
25, 26 years back, because he's 28 now and he got his diagnosis around between 2 and 3. He was born in 93, diagnosed in 95. And Tessie Saha says, "Hi Madhu, back." I'm most thrilled because I haven't spoken to my friend in years and now we get a chance. How long do we have, uh, Shivani?
Whatever time till we we are satisfied, and we can get as much as you can as of
ठीक है, ठीक है.
yours.
You'll excuse me if we do about 45 minutes to an hour because I'm coming out of anchoring 2 podcasts today. One on, I'm a so I anchored a sports podcast, and then one on the pandemic and the special needs community. My,
Got you.
my avatar in my latter days in journalism, last 15 years in journalism, has been in television journalism, like you mentioned, in NDTV. And
Yes.
since about a year back, I've turned freelance and I'm doing a lot of writing, and I'm hoping to write a book on Abhimanyu and our life with him and the life of at least 30, 40 families in India and the diaspora in America and Europe. Just
Okay.
families, not about पहले डायग्नोसिस जो आप मुझसे पूछ रहे हैं ना उसके बारे में नहीं, उसके ज्यादा बढ़ के कि फैमिलीज की लाइव्स कैसे बदली, क्या किया उन लोगों ने और कहाँ गए. मतलब जैसे आप पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे, लेट्स स्टार्ट एट द वेरी बिगिनिंग. जिस दिन डायग्नोसिस मिला उसके कुछ महीने पहले शुभ्रा वाज फ्लैगिंग, माय वाइफ वाज फ्लैगिंग व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन, कि कुछ लफड़ा है. तो हमारे
हाँ.
पीडियाट्रिशियन, जो मैंने कहानी बहुत से पेरेंट्स से सुनी जिनको मैंने इंटरव्यू किया है, पीडियाट्रिशियन ने बोला, अरे लड़का है, लेट बोलेगा यार, काहे परेशान हो रहे हो, हार्वर्ड थोड़ी भेजना है. तो
हाँ.
बस दुत्कारा. और उनकी गलती नहीं, बड़े अच्छे फ्रेंडली सज्जन थे, लेकिन बात है 1993 की और या 94-95 की, जब ऑटिज्म के बारे में नॉलेज अमंग पीडियाट्रिशियंस वाज वेरी लिमिटेड. I must mention in this disregard that among the first institutions that Abhimanyu went to, Action for Autism, did a lot of work with the pediatricians after that and in sensitizing pediatricians to the existence of autism and a possible diagnosis of autism. So I have to say that now compared to earlier, diagnosis come much faster. Although I've been repeating this in every forum I've come across on Father's Day या Mother's Day या कोई भी डे हो, सारे डे ऑटिज्म डे हैं हमारे लिए। 365 दिन ऑटिज्म डेज हैं। ये मैं बार बार आपको फोकस करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि साहब मेरे को देख रहे हैं अभी, यहाँ पे फोकस रखने के लिए मैंने बड़ी ट्यूबलाइट जला रखी है, नहीं तो इसको साइकोलॉजिकली कन्विंस करने के लिए कि सोने का टाइम है, एसी ऑन होता है, नहाने के लिए भेजा जाता है, टूथब्रश हो जाते हैं, दवाई हो जाती है। He's had a lot of seizures, so he's still on medication for seizures. So छोटी लाइट जला के करते हैं। आज सेलिब्रेशन में आपकी कोई इस पे ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं है, संडे है, कल मंडे क्लास भी इसकी लेट है, तो थोड़ा चल सकता है। और लग रहा है कि जब ये हाथ सिर पे रखता है तो इट्स अ श्योर सिग्नल कि आज मामला पस्त है, शायद जो हाइपर एक्टिविटी बंदा है वो सो जाएगा। अगर ये ज्यादा शोर मचाएगा, ऑडियो में गड़बड़ है, मेरे को बताना, मैं दूसरी जगह चला जाऊंगा। सो एनीवे, बैक टू द 25 day of diagnosis. I hope she's online. Roma Kumar was the person who diagnosed in east of Kailash. We were living in Green Park, Delhi. लो भाई, ऑर्डर आ गया, पानी पीना, पानी पीना। दवाई खाई नहीं है तो देखो दवाई खाई जा रही है, बड़े स्वीटली दवाई खाता है। और यूजली हाँ, और ऐसी चीजों के लिए इनका वर्बलाइजेशन आ जाता है, पानी पीना, राजमा खाना, स्विमिंग जाना है, गाड़ी में जाना है, जो अपने काम है उसके लिए कर देते।
Motivation. That is all about the motivation.
What you were saying?
I said self-motivation because he's motivated to do that. So that is intrinsic. It comes within, from within. So definitely वो verbalization भी आ जाता है, communication भी आ जाता है, and I'm glad that happens. I'm really glad. So how was your emotion? Like what did you do as couple, as family to accept? How did you accept the diagnosis, and what was your take on that? Like, did you ever see an autistic child or a person before that, and did you have any idea what your journey is going to be like?
Well, interesting क्यों that जैसे ही आपने डायग्नोसिस और AUTISM की बात करी ना, साहब यहाँ से उठ के भाग लिए और चल दिए। सो यूजुअली जब मैं इनके सामने इनके बारे में बात करता हूँ तो आई स्पेसिफाई, अभिमन्यु, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट यू एंड योर he's mumbled autism, so he knows. Okay, so he's self-conscious about being autistic. आज बहुत लोग तुम्हें सुन रहे हैं, तो यही सुन रहे हैं कि तुम क्या कारनामे क्या है और हमारे कारनामे क्या है। तो भैया डायग्नोसिस होने पे सीधा मैंने तो गुस्सा खाया, तेज चिल्लाया और बोला आप फालतू बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि डायग्नोसिस में जो इम्प्लीकेशंस उन्होंने बताए तो लाइफ लॉन्ग सपोर्ट के तो की पॉसिबिलिटी है। ये भी बोला कि रिकवरी पॉसिबल है, पर ये भी बोला कि लाइफ लॉन्ग। अच्छा, ताली बज रही है, आपको ऑडियो तो नहीं खराब हो रहा? सुनाई दे रही है ना मेरी आवाज?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
ओके, थोड़ी दूर जाता हूँ थोड़ी देर के लिए, जब ये शांत हो जाए तो वापस आऊँ। अभिमन्यु, अच्छा, ये इनफैक्ट द फर्स्ट लेसन फॉर यंग पेरेंट्स, देयर इज अ वेरी फाइन लाइन बिटवीन। एक जमाने में मैं गुस्से में फिर लगा भी देता था एक आध कि क्या करो, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ फोन पे, ऑफिस में बात कर रहा हूँ, प्रेशर, अपना प्रेशर जो है बच्चे पे ले जाते हैं हम लोग। तो यूजुअली अब मेरे पे कोई प्रेशर नहीं, मैं किसी का नौकर नहीं हूँ, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, तो मैं अपना मालिक हूँ। तो अगर अभिमन्यु शोर मचाएगा तो मेरे टाइम में मचा रहा है। इंस्टाग्राम है, दोस्तों से बात हो रही है जो ऑटिज्म। अच्छा, आ रहा है भाई, लेक्चर आ रहा है। पहले हल्की आवाज थी, अब भारी आवाज आ रही। क्या बोल रहे हो तुम?
अभिमन्यु, I'm so glad.
आंटी का नाम है शिवानी। शिवानी हु?
दीवानी हाँ,
दीवानी हाँ। Everything is a song for us, by the way, because my mother does Carnatic music and she keeps in this house. शिवानी हाँ। सो मैं बता रहा था कि गुस्सा खाया, खूब देर दबा के गुस्सा खाया, बट शुभ्रा माय कूल वन बोली कि एटलीस्ट पिछले 6 महीने का 1 साल का जो सस्पेंस है कि एक लड़का जो इंग्लिश हिंदी तमिल में बोलने लगा था वो अचानक बोलना बंद क्यों हो गया, क्या हुआ है, और रिग्रेस कर गया टॉयलेटिंग में और बाकी चीजों में, ये कैसे हुआ। ट्रेन टॉयलेटिंग थी वो बिल्कुल गई, एक्सीडेंट्स होने लगे, तो हम लोग घबराए तो हुए थे। आई वॉज इन्वॉल्व इन अ न्यू टेलीविजन स्टेशन प्रोजेक्ट, तो वहां बहुत और जज्बा था क्योंकि 30-35 साल का था मैं खुद, तो प्रोफेशनल इन्वॉल्वमेंट बहुत था, आगे करियर में जाने ऐसे सोच के नहीं कि करियर, बट जर्नलिज्म ऐसी चीज है जहाँ जो प्रोजेक्ट की एक्साइटमेंट है वो आपको पकड़ी हुई थी, और मेरा इन्वॉल्वमेंट वहां। और बच्चे, एज फार एज ब्रिंगिंग अप चिल्ड्रन वाज कंसर्न्ड, आई वाज कन्विंस्ड कि I had helped my mom run a creche in Shimla where we used to live. I loved children, I played with children. So I had those expectations कि अपने बेटे को एक नेशनल लेवल बैडमिंटन प्लेयर बनाऊंगा, क्योंकि जो मैं बन नहीं सका, मैं जूनियर नेशनल लेवल तक खेला था लेकिन उससे आगे बढ़ नहीं सका। तो पहली चीज लगी यार ये तो बैडमिंटन नहीं खेलेगा, बड़ा बुरा होगा, तो ये तो स्कूल नहीं जाएगा या सेंट स्टीफेंस कॉलेज नहीं जा पाएगा। तो एकदम से लगा। तो ऐसी चीजें आपके मन में क्या क्या घूमता है, अलग अलग पेरेंट्स के मन में अलग अलग चीज घूमती है। बेसिकली अपने पे खींच मचती है जो बच्चे पे उतरती है। Tell me if there are too many people from the south and I need to switch to English, add a comment and I'll go back and forth. Otherwise, I think more people understand Hindi than English, so I prefer speaking in English. Hindi so that so I'm a mother. It's pretty good. I spent it in second. शिवानी तुम्हारी ऑडियो नहीं आ रही, तुमने क्या बोला? मतलब हिंदी सही है ना बोलने में?
Hindi and English mixed is good because I think हम भी very comfortable in English or Hindi, like mixed language में, तो that would be good.
There is somebody called Padma Ramanujam who has joined. Although I am a born and brought up Punjabi of Tamil parents, whenever I see a South Indian surname, I want to know all about them, where they are from and what they are doing. So if Padma Ramanujam put in the comments कि भाई कहाँ से हो और क्या कनेक्शन है, क्या ऑटिस्टिक बच्चा है या माँ हो, सब बताना अपने बारे में. So this is you special salam. I am only saying this that now it's a blur. So 1995 December diagnosis. फिर इधर उधर भाग दौड़. First touch point was Mary Barua of Action for Autism. Yes. जिन्होंने कहा कि अगर ये 2 दिन बिस्किट खाने को मांग रहा है ना तो खाने दो, जिद पे मत अड़ो कि बिस्किट नहीं खाएगा, यही खाएगा वो खाएगा. और इस लड़के ने वही किया, 2 दिन सिर्फ बिस्किट खाए. Excuse me, I'm getting a call to decline. One second. तो सबसे the first familiarity with autism was just this bizarre behaviors, lack of eye contact. वो जो सारा जो compendium of एक कुंजी में देते हैं ना आपको, जैसे कॉलेज पढ़ते हो तो या स्कूल कॉलेज पढ़ते हो तो there's a कुंजी, उस टाइप का रट्टा मारना पड़ा कि ये डिफरेंट है. और उसके साथ ही आया unfortunately there wasn't then and there isn't now counseling for parents. I mean counseling in the sense of not how to deal with your child, but how to cope with the emotional impact of a diagnosis of specialness. And to my mind, आज तो मैं नसीहत दे रहा हूँ सब parents को, my learning after all these years, after having gone the wrong way all these years, I've been and emotionally violent with my child, and yet not all the time. I've loved him immensely also and been with him, but I have allowed my professional or personal pressures to get to me, and unlike my wife, who's never ever raised her voice or forget about raising hand. I have pushed him and maybe occasionally tapped him on the head or the cheek. She's never done that, even in the worst kind of toileting accidents or anything. हम लोग के अपने सबके preconceived notion होते हैं ना कि पब्लिक में हमारा बच्चा कैसे लगना चाहिए. We all react to that and we are defensive, whether with family or with friends, or especially when there's strangers around and somebody is looking at you, 10 people are looking at you, and the thought in their mind is कि ये बेचारा बच्चा जो है ये पागल है और इसके पेरेंट्स साथ में चल रहे हैं, इसके ये क्या है. And the general notion is pagal, and you're desperate to tell them not pagal but autistic. You're desperate to tell them. So it kills you every time कि you are at तुम कुछ कह रहे हो.
Is there any particular strategy that you follow while being in the public? Like, is there anything particular that you tell the people around if you're while traveling in the train or on the flights or anything, or people are okay with him and they understand?
And when I was younger, one thing I tried was carrying leaflets from Action for Autism all the time. Simple 1-page folders. What is autism? And ये अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में दोनों. I tried doing that. But the other thing within yourself is वो इतने साल लगे हैं और हर समय नहीं हुआ मेरे से अमल उस पे. एक आध बार खींच के लगाया है कि डोंट पुल डाउन योर पैंट्स और वट एवर ऑड बिहेवियर, स्क्रीचिंग और ये वो, हल्का सा पिंच किया है कि मत करो, इधर आ जाओ, या जोर से बोल दिया है चिल्ला के, शट अप, behave yourself. What you do to neurotypical children. But by and large, when conscious of, I'm deliberately keeping the camera on me and with him in the distance so that, I've got my hand on his leg. That is the usual way we soothe him into sleep between 9 and 10. आज भी 28 साल का है, but we know that physical age is just a number in the case of profoundly autistic children. I mean, there are high-end Asperger's syndrome autistic children who perhaps don't. Acha. Hey,
Yeah.
there's a friend called Samir Garde, childhood friend of mine, online from Bangalore. He's a high-flying techie and the boss of a very good company, big company in Bangalore. If he's taken time off to listen to me, I have to mention him and say that.
Thank you
That's
so
it. He's not met Abhimanyu ever, so I'm showing him Abhimanyu from close. Samir Garde, Abhimanyu. Bolo Samir Garde. Hi, Samir Garde. So there's Abhimanyu has no S, clear S. So Samir is Tamir and Garde is Gade. And Kasakai Bhalawai. So I'll get back to my story. Basically, what, how does one come across in public? One is not fighting the child's disability. One is fighting one's own infirmity or psychological, crutches कि भैया हम वीक हैं, हमें जो अपने बच्चे की पब्लिक परसेप्शन है ना, वो हमको भाती नहीं है, हमको अपने आप को जीतना है, क्यों हमारे दिल में पत्थर पड़ा हुआ है कि यार ये ऐसा लग रहा है देखने में और मेरी इमेज में फर्क आ रहा है, तो वो अपनी इमेज में जो फर्क आ रहा है ना, यू हैव टू पुट दैट असाइड and you have to be very strong and very very strong and stick to the notion that उसमें होता क्या, over a period of time most of my friends, very dear friends and fellow parents, end up keeping children at home. I have also done that. किसी दिन हिम्मत नहीं होती कि यार ये बिहेवियर्स करेगा, बाहर नहीं जाते, यहाँ नहीं जाते, वहां नहीं जाते, या कई बार ऐसे भी होता है जो हुआ है, क्लोज फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, नेबर्स, कि आपको पता चला, मतलब मेरे को बचपन, इसका जो बचपन था उस समय जिस कॉलोनी में हम शिफ्ट किया सोसाइटी में, मुझे बड़ा बुरा लगता था अगर कोई इसको बर्थडे पे नहीं बुलाता था. तो as mentioned in another interview I did for another website today on, it's on Instagram. I was an Akkad Bab. Despite being a Madrasi brought up in Shimla and a Punjabi, I grew up near a village called Munirka. It was a Jat village. So वहां से मुझे लगता है मेरा अक्खड़पन एक आया कि तुम नहीं बुलाएगा ना मेरे बच्चों को, I would use an expletive there, I don't care, I'm going to get my बच्चा and gate crash your birthday party. और वो मैंने किया, बर्थडे पार्टीज मैंने गेट क्रैश करी.
What was it like? I mean, what was it like? I mean, there must have been a lot of.
Once he gate crashed, he was to one side. इसने किसी से बात नहीं करी. वो भी मैं सोचता रहा यार ये बात, मतलब उस समय कन्विक्शन ये था, डेस्परेशन की, इसको अकेले नहीं छूटना, ये अपने जैसे बच्चों के साथ इसको होना चाहिए. And that I find is much more socially in. अच्छा, Samir Garde has said hi Abhimanyu. So what? One छोटा song for Samir Garde. क्या गाना गाएंगे? अजनबी ये छोरियां दिल पे डाले डोरियां मन की काली. Okay, that's how these days, Bhayu. So that song was for you. So we sang about Kishore, Rafi and everybody. अच्छा भाई, अभिमन्यु का अब आ गया है कि चाय पीना है शाम को. इस समय कि जब पानी पीना होता है तो इसे गर्म पानी पीना है, तो इसे चाय पीना है ऑल द टाइम. अभी तुम्हारी बात, हाँ अभी दीदी बर्थडे के लाएगी तुम्हारे. We have been lucky to have the same family of house helps with us for the 28 years, and Abhimanyu has been around from the time he was born. The eldest cousin to us joined us. These are girls from Jharkhand. They've grown with our family. They eat at the same table that we eat. They are not maid servants. They are member Didi and member of the family.
I've seen some of your Facebook videos.
From Jharkhand has learned Carnatic music from my mother and sings some Carnatic songs very beautifully. So I'm digressing. So I'll back to the original story कि जब friends में हुआ, family में हुआ, कि डर लगता था कि कोई फंक्शन है फैमिली का, कोई मैरिज है या कुछ है, कैसे जाएंगे। लेकिन किसी तरह लेके गए, बाय एंड लार्ज लेके गए। जब नींद की दिक्कत हुई कि शाम को इसको नींद आ जाती है, सो जाता है या टैंट्रम होता है, नहीं जा सकता, तो एक आध केस में प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टी देखते हुए नहीं लेके गए। बट बाय एंड लार्ज our friends and family have been so supportive, so supportive through all these years that people who had nothing to do with autism and were figuring it out or were watching while we figured it out ourselves. And there are a lot of people who fool themselves that they know autism. Like we all know, each child with autism is one child with autism.
Yes.
You know, there's no pattern. Unlike Down syndrome or any other, I hate the word now. I'm starting the word disability. Is God's gift to me. In that is my personality. I have become a better human being because of Abhimanyu. But it took a long time. First, I became a worse human being. In the initial years, I am the adult kind of person who wept also for various reasons. कि ये नहीं हो सक रहा, वो नहीं हो सक रहा, जो अपनी महत्वाकांक्षा थी वो थोपी उस पे नहीं. But I think my Delhi trained, I came to Delhi as a class 10, class 11, 17-year-old and stayed near this Jat village for long enough and spent time with DTC buses and drivers and conductors enough to have an akhadpana about me or thick skinnedness कि जो भी होगा झेल लेंगे यार, देखी जाएगी. तो वो आई थिंक हम सब पेरेंट्स को एक अखड़पना चाहिए, बहुत जरूरी. ये मेरी नसीहत है टू यंगर पेरेंट्स कमिंग अप द रोड, दैट हाउएवर मच very important. However much deep emotional pressure you feel or hurt, you must be thick-skinned enough to withstand emotional barbs from family, friends, society, whatever, and they will come. There's no getting away from it. That a lot of barbs come all the while, and you are made to feel the parent of a differently abled person, of a person who is different from the others. But my best story in that regard is that मेट्रो में ले जा रहा था इसको. गुड़गांव में हमारे बहुत दोस्त ऑटिस्टिक बच्चे हैं और कई बार गाड़ी नहीं हो तो मेट्रो में ले गया, बस में ले गया. इसको भिन्न भिन्न तरीके के मोड ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट में ट्रैवल करना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. रिक्शा, ऑटो, ही लव्स ऑल दोस. कि सवारी है, चल दो, कहीं भी चल दो. हमको कई बार डर भी लगता है कि इतना भोला है कि कोई भी कहीं कहेगा चल दो तो चल देगा ये बैठ के. Fortunately, we live in a society campus where there are guards at the gate, so he's not let out on his own. So I went on the metro, climbed on the metro, and encountered the typical ordinary member of society that you all will encounter all the time, especially you younger parents. There is that, even family, sometimes there's a question when you're trying to avoid mentioning the differentness and concentrating on your child. Autism की beauty और tragedy है कि हमारे बच्चे बिल्कुल ordinary बच्चों की तरह लगते हैं, ordinary adults की तरह लगते हैं, लेकिन behavior कई बार सामने तो बोलते हैं. उसमें सवाल आता है, जैसे Abhimanyu would screech on the metro. He was so excited, he would go like this, he would flap his hands and screech. And then obviously you'd meet someone who would either say, पागल है क्या, इसको कुछ जरूरत है, ये भाई साहब इसमें कोई problem है. तो डिपेंडिंग मूड आई वुड बी कई बार से कि हाँ प्रॉब्लम है, ऑटिस्टिक है, ऑटिस्टिक का मतलब ये होता है, ये वो. आई वुड गो इनटू डेफिनेशन, बट मोर ऑफन देन नॉट माय अखड़ सेल्फ वुड प्रिवेल एंड आई वुड से आपने लाल कमीज पहनी है, मेट्रो में किसी और बंदे ने इस डिब्बे में लाल कमीज पहनी, आप तो बड़े अजीब लग रहे हो यार, आपकी मूंछ टेढ़ी है, आपके बाल काले और सफेद है, ये तो अलग है, आपकी नाक कैसी है. तो उसमें मेरे को ओवर द इयर्स जो लेसन मिला वो यही मिला कि हर आदमी, हर इंसान डिफरेंट है एक दूसरे से यार. तो इट्स अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट लेसन टू अब्सॉर्ब एंड आई हैव फील्ड इट्स नॉट कम टू दिस नाउ. थोड़ा अभी उम्र हो गई 60 के करीब और बच्चा 28 का है, तो ये सब नसीहत बड़े आराम से दे रहा हूँ. बट आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यू हु आर वेरी यंग आउट देयर विल हैव अ टफ टाइम इन द इनिशियल ईयर्स एक्सेप्टिंग जो बोलते हैं ना, ये सब ज्ञान टेक्स्ट बुक्स में बड़ा है अब आराम से, और साइकोलॉजिस्ट भी आपको देंगे भैया चाय पीना, इनको आ गया दोबारा डायलॉग. तो 1 मिनट मेरे को, मैं किचन तक जाके इनके लिए गर्म पानी करके ला रहा हूँ क्योंकि नींद का टाइम हो गया. चाय गर्म पानी. तो I'm apologizing if the light is bad and the frame is bad. I know Insta thrives on looking good. You know, my wife keeps watching a lot of makeup video. सन गर्म पानी दोगे? एक 40 सेकंड करके अभिमन्यु पानी मांग रहा है और मैं लाइव हूँ.
Question, one more question.
और ये है श्रांति. ये अभिमन्यु की सबसे बड़ी दोस्त है. तो श्रांति दीदी आज भी अभिमन्यु ये
बहुत support system है.
क्या वाटर? हाँ वाटर. हाँ पानी गर्म कर लो थोड़ा सा. ये चाय जो मांगता है आजकल हम यही चाय की जगह पानी दे देते हैं इसको. ओके, सो बैक टू माय स्टोरी व्हाइल ही वेट्स फॉर द डॉटर फॉर द वाटर विद हिज दीदी. हाँ, अब यहाँ पे डिनर के बाद का पराठा लपका गया है थोड़ा इतना डिसिप्लिन हम नहीं कर पाए हैं. I know this will be bad news for a lot of parents, you know, who think our guys should be in structure. मैं खुद अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड हूँ बहुत. हम दोनों जर्नलिस्ट हैं तो हमारी लाइव्स अनस्ट्रक्चर्ड रही हैं. तो हमने ज्यादातर अच्छा, somebody is saying lovely Isran. Who is that? Anmol Nidhi. Yes, Isran is very lovely, and Isran is you know, I hope you don't just mean physical beauty. She's a lovely human being. She can't pass Abhimanyu by without ruffling his hair, even now. And she's practically probably the same age, slightly older, maybe. She doesn't know her age when she came to us. क्या दे दिया? रोटी खा रहे हैं और ले लिया. पराठा और पानी पिया जा रहा है, गर्म पानी. और it's the second.
She's like a big sister to him.
Yeah, big sister, more than big sister, pal. One of Abhimanyu's cousin Mausis, Dakshita Kandelwala, has just joined. I'm saying hi to her. We seldom get to meet. We have had, Shuga has a large joint family. Her mother was the eldest sister to 5 brothers. So all those cousins from that side, the children from that family, have all off and on. Abhimanyu ko sabka laad pyar mila hai. And I'm really dwelling on a sentence I read recently, which says, it takes a village to raise a child. And that is something our nuclear families are losing out on. I really feel that if you don't have a village, you have to create, the parent has to create one. The parent has to create one. And
there are some very important things that you have raised here. One is that social structure for parents as well as the child is very, very important that you have raised here. That is a very important point, that more than the scheduling and everything, we need to also sensitize the people around us so that we have that emotional support and the physical support. And the child is also comfortable raising. So like you very correctly said, you know, it needs a village to raise a child, and I guess it needs more of we need to create that village as a parent of a child with autism. So that is a wonderful lesson that you have told our parents. And the other thing that's a great takeaway is that you have to be bold enough to accept the disability and to make your point across to the people who do not understand the disability. And we need to be very, very tough on that part. So that is another very big statement that you have made. So definitely, I think these two takeaways are great as the parents. And earlier, the acceptance, I guess, you know, it is better for everybody at home, with friends and everything. So there's one more question, Madhusudan. One is, how much do you think if Abhimanyu would have gone to an inclusive setup of a school, of a normal or a school where the neurotypicals study, how do you think he would have been different? Or any other things that you feel that would have been better for him, or worse, whatever. So what is your take on that?
Yeah. I'll tackle both things alongside. Before that, आजकल का शाम का एक और गाना आता है, चल अकेला आता है, उसके अलावा आता है तुम कहाँ मैं यहाँ बोलो हाँ. So we take, I don't know where this song is from, but it keeps coming and we keep repeating it. I think it's a message in autism. Tum kahan, main yahan, bolo haan. So whatever that means. I know the light went on him. I'll try and keep framing the frame correctly. But to get back to your questions, first of all, that last, your summing up of my earlier response, I want to, something that's coming again and again in the course of Father's Day discussions with other fathers on other forums, is that something I've been saying repeatedly, that our focus, first and foremost, and this is not my invention, this has come from another father, and from other parents and from special needs people and from people who built institutions. There's a lady called Aparna Das in Dehradun. What she speaks of is, or rather what her actions imply, she runs an adult center for adult living experiment for people with autism. There are young adults with her, 30 people with autism. And she speaks of, if you've been there, you know what I mean. What Aparna's life work standard, Aparna has her younger sister with autism who's 40. That's the Arunima Rooney, the center is named after her. So Rooney has led as much of a normal life as possible, and this ties into your second question. Because again, Rooney has been out everywhere with Aparna and family. There's been they have not hidden the girl. And that was in the earliest of times. With profound challenges, Rooney गाना गाते रहती है और Rooney collects objects. उसकी फितूर चढ़ते हैं कि पहले pen collect कर लो या कुछ collect कर लो, अलग-अलग चीजें. But what she said and what many people keep saying these days is, when you have a child, you have a child. The child is the individual. The label that we're looking for is our own compromise with society. ये अच्छा, अगर ये कर रहा है तो ये ऑटिस्टिक है, ये कर रहा है तो ये डाउन सिंड्रोम, ये कर रहा है तो ये है. वो बंदा बाद में, बस मेरा बेटा है अभिमन्यु, पहले सबसे पहले बेटा है अभिमन्यु, उसके बाद इंसिडेंटली he happens to be autistic. So unless you look at it that way, inclusion doesn't work. And I've again been feeling, अच्छा यहाँ से बहुत commentary आ रही है अभी, बार थोड़ा टोक, अगर ज्यादा वॉल्यूम होगा तो आप मुझे बताइए, मैं दूर चले जाऊंगा. क्या बोलो? I'm still talking about you. मजे कर रहे हैं.
Abhimanyu, you're a hero, so we have to talk about you. You're an inspiration for so many.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom. क्या? Speaking words of wisdom. Let it be. He's mumbling, let it be. So that is a Beatles song we've learned with Abhimanyu, which we knew all along, but Abhimanyu likes saying when he's in a good mood and not sleepy, खूब जोर से बोलता है let it be. वो एक अच्छी नसीहत है autism के लिए and autistic बच्चों के लिए और adults के लिए. Sometimes you really need to let it be. You need to let it. मतलब कई बार teaching मत करो, follow the child and the mood and the मौका और दस्तूर है ना कि हर दम स्ट्रक्चर चाहिए डेफिनेटली, हर दिन का कुछ का तौर तरीका होना चाहिए, but by and large take the lead of your child. So that is one part. The other part is very difficult. जो मेरे अभी recent तजुर्बे हैं, we tried very hard to, I don't mind saying this, to get Abhimanyu into Vasant Valley when Vasant Valley and Shri Ram School were one of the few, and step by step were one of the few schools integrating. What you will find, what parents at a younger age will find is lots of schools say they are integrating. उनका integration का मतलब पता क्या होता है? Assembly में बच्चों को, तुम्हारे बच्चे को साथ खड़ा कर देंगे, lunch time में साथ खड़ा कर देंगे, annual sports day पे खड़ा कर देंगे. ऐसी की तैसी ऐसी inclusion की. अगर inclusion है,
the insides. I have worked with schools very intensively, and this is what I found out from, because I interned in most of these schools, the names which you have taken. So I found the reality and I thought this is not inclusion and this is not happening. And something I have tried to make a model where we said we are giving 4 to 5 years to each child, that he should be able to enjoy the childhood. And the child has to be integrated in the classroom. The child has to be in every possible activity wherever the child can be integrated. And in this school where I am associated, in a couple of schools I am associated with, I make it a point that everybody is 100% included. Either they are included or they are referred to, if they are not in a condition like in a very severe or in a profound autistic state, then I definitely refer for a special school. So we have a kind of a screening tool, which is kind of this thing. But I feel that that window should be given to each child for 3-4 years or 5 years of inclusion, where it's not only learning for the child with on the spectrum, but I feel it's a learning for everybody as a community. As a community we grow, and as a community we understand each other, that there is diversity in our own ecosystem. It's not that everybody has to be the same. We all are different, and it's a wonderful, and I am glad to find couple of schools who have actually accepted them with open arms. So I feel that things are changing, but yes, you are right. At that point of time, this used to be the inclusion, the picture of inclusion, which they used to show. So we need to,
Yeah.
I think, collectively work for this. So because I feel that education and academic curriculum can be made, but social communication curriculum is something which needs to come from the society, and the child needs to feel as much as a part of the system as any other child. So things are changing, I guess, and but you are absolutely bang on that yes, sometimes it actually you are misguided. You're misguided, right? So you feel yes. I mean, Abhimanyu has got the best. Whatever I feel that that's what we were lucky enough to have AFA. We were lucky enough to have people guiding. So that
So,
is one thing, and
the jury is still out and the debate is still on whether or not, even for profoundly autistic children, you need a segregation or special schools, or you need integrated setup. I
integrate.
find I really admire the American system where every child is a child, and a child grows up in going to whatever school is nearest in the neighborhood. You know, public school, or private school, except for those real private schools. You go to the public school and you're promised, if you have special needs, your special needs are covered. ये नहीं होता है कि नहीं जी हमारे पास स्टाफ नहीं। ओके, यहाँ पे अभी हिंदुस्तान में आज भी ये है कि हमारे पास स्टाफ नहीं है, बंदे नहीं है। सरकार ने लॉ बना दिया है कि आप स्कूल में
Yes,
एडमिट
yes,
करोगे।
please.
Yeah, and
Yes,
I'm
please.
talking of affluent sections of society, people who are on Instagram and who speak English and live in Delhi, form a minuscule percentage. We're talking of a national scene, rural India, where there must be so many diagnoses of autism. वहाँ क्या हो रहा है? I don't even want to think about it. बिल्कुल. But perhaps they are better off because वहाँ बड़े practical तरीके से काम होता है. जो शहरों में there are, by the way, I want to stop and say hi to Nidhi Gupta and Sumit Gupta, who joined from Nizamuddin. They are the parents of Veer, who is an amazing artist. Mark my words. Veer is an amazing artist.
Well, I know Veer. Hi, yeah. I know Veer very well, and his paintings are amazing, amazing. So they got published also in some of the magazines, and he's got a
He's Veer first and an artist first, and then autistic. Unless we proceed on these lines and change our very language itself, there is trouble ahead for us. Unless us parents ourselves learn to appreciate our children for being the children or the individuals they are, that is I think the brunt of my. Hey, someone saying, who is this artwork by? Please identify yourself. Your. I mean,
Madhu
somebody loves me.
saying
Who
hello.
loves
Veer,
somebody
Veer.
who's a Which week? अच्छा भैया चाय पीना है दोबारा यहाँ ऑर्डर आ गया. आई एम बीइंग एडिटेड ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम टॉक बाय माय सन, जिसको दोबारा याद आ गया कि क्या है, तुमको बाथरूम जाना है, इतना पानी पिया, बाथरूम चले जाओ यार एक बार जब बैठे हैं. तो टू कम टू दैट क्वेश्चन ऑफ इंटीग्रेटेड स्कूलिंग, the people who are against it are very right when they say that our schools have not equipped themselves even now, because you need a high ratio of special aids for our special needs children, and no school is able to budget that or otherwise. What I was saying in the context of Vasant Valley, which we appeared for, and where I don't mind saying it publicly, that I got the feeling that a lot of children did very well through Vasant Valley. A lot of special needs children, especially autistic children, spent lovely lives with ordinary neurotypical children. I know of Vasant Valley and Shriram. In both places, the higher end of the spectrum of autism did well. But the lower end of the spectrum of autism invariably had to drop out of the school system because our school system is still focused on ABC aati hai, 1, 2, 3 aata hai. I am arguing for a fact that you can have a student like Abhimanyu, jisko ABC 1, 2, 3, 28 saal tak nahi aata. But I want him to enjoy the pleasure of the company of his हमउम्र people. अपनी उम्र के साथियों के साथ जहाँ भी हो जाना चाहता है इसको.
Very rightly said. And maybe, we can consider like a couple of hours less than other than stretching it out for 8 hours of school, it could be just 2 to 3 hours, but at least, or join
and that is a regret for me that I couldn't give my child that schooling support that normal schooling that I would have wanted for him. But I'm being heckled, by the way. अभी पीछे से बड़ा जोर से गाना आ रहा है. The desk. चाय पीना, दोबारा गाना आ गया, चाय पीना. तो अब ये राग चला रहेगा कि तुम इन लोगों से सबसे बात क्यों कर रहे हो? ये टाइम तो हमारा बेड टाइम में अंधेरा.
We would just like to also understand jab Abhimanyu, when he grew up and he entered into adolescent, and what are the challenges that you faced at that point of time, and also first if we can talk about that a little.
His body. Sorry, you're completing your question, or have I jumped the gun? You want to say more?
Adolescent challenges, and then I'll ask you the next one.
Yeah, adolescent is the elephant in the room. Adolescent challenges is the euphemism for saying puberty and adulthood. It's the euphemism for saying in boy children, how do you handle talk about masturbation and a sex life? Yeah. So in Abhimanyu's case, we also went at it the hard way. There were moral sanctions when he got aware of himself and wanted to relieve himself. Actually, thoda, I wouldn't say marpeet, but dant pitai hui. But then, among the people who have understood this very well is Action for Autism and other sectors, where you first say that you teach the child to accept what is private and what is not. What is भाई मेरे को उस वक्त हाथ आ गया, बोला चाय पीना है दोबारा. तो what is private and what is not में that you can't walk around without your clothes, that some things you do only in your room. So our key phrase for Abhimanyu was only in your room, and with his limited vocabulary he learned to say that, and by and large hold to the fact that he still sometimes, it's a challenge that he can be gone for a bath in the bathroom and come out toward the drawing room and not his own bedroom. He can. We don't know how much he's in, but by and large, Qaida Kanun malum ho gaya that he sticks to the bathroom, he sticks to doing his business in the bathroom or the bedroom, and he's not found naked anywhere. Now I know a lot of children, depending on circumstances, and some children, it's a tougher challenge for them to learn all this. We are not sure whether Abhimanyu is still a work in progress. And usme, my parents ko I know my crying always, what I didn't do, that's what I want to convey to other people. कि 10 से 15 के बीच में ना तुमको डर बैठा रहता है कि अरे 15 का हो जाएगा और ऐसे करेगा पब्लिक में तो हम क्या करेंगे. अरे यार, अपने बंदे की सीखने की स्पीड उसकी स्पीड है. तुमको जल्दी है तो उसको जल्दी नहीं होगी. तुमको तुम्हारे सिखाने के मेथड में कुछ you always need to change your method to suit the child rather than expect the child to fall in line with whatever you want him to learn, and that extends to adolescence and sexuality. So, and for that, the basic thing is that lines of communication, channels of communication, you need to keep talking to your child, whether you are a father or a mother. Both parents need to we get into the business business of कि हमारी दिनचर्या ये है, इसकी दिनचर्या ये स्कूल चला गया, ये आ गया वापस, खाना खा लो, बाथरूम चले जाओ, वापस आ जाओ. No, I think the emotional quotient of talking to your children, just spending time, just listening to music, or just being together in silence, or going for walks, is very, 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 I can't emphasize it enough. Just hang around यार. जैसे हम कर रहे हैं ना अभी कि 8 से 9 खाना खाया और चिल करें, यूट्यूब लगा देंगे या कुछ लगा देंगे या कुछ नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि कई दिन भाई को एक गाना मतलब and he listens to some Hindustani classical, some Carnatic classical. His dadi usually sings to him for 5 minutes before she goes off to bed. 7:30 के करीब एक गाना 2 गाने होते हैं और इस फरमाइश करते हैं कई बार, या हम फिल्मी म्यूजिक ला, किसी दिन इसका मूड होता है टीवी रूम में जाके गाने देखता रहता है. So adolescence consists of all these complex, spending of time. I would focus on the spending of time rather than the phenomenon associated with adolescence. The growing up years consist of what you are reacting to as parents is कि जो प्यारा सा बच्चा था ना, वो suddenly उसकी दाढ़ी मूंछ आ रही है. It's not the image you have of the child and the voice is breaking. And I am not an expert on girl children. I'm sure that you will have somebody, a mother, or a special educator, somebody like Sonia Jetli of Oren, for instance, speak of girl children particularly. The way she's brought up her daughter and the way she's, it calls for a degree of frankness to be in a public forum and be able to deal with these kinds of subjects without embarrassment and with absolute no. I'm sure even now, even me, अगर पेरेंट्स कुछ अटपटे सवाल पूछे मेरी थोड़ी ऐसी हो जाएगी, गिगी बन जाएगी to answer those questions, because there are individual problems. There is also happen when I'm as a red flag is that in some instances and for no reason, for no fault of the parents, the kids can be slightly violent. Now, when that violence happens, if you react, you're done for. And invariably, our parents say, I've also reacted. Fortunately, Abhimanyu has never been violent. We've been blessed. But I'm not saying that no child is violent. And if children are violent, that doesn't make them bad. That just means that there's something we are not understanding that's bugging them. And you need to fix that. Whatever. It may be a sensory, it may be a behavioral thing. कि आप कोई आदमी जो फैमिली में या आपके हेल्प्स में ढंग से पेश नहीं आ रहा है, या उसको अपनी ग्रोइंग अप समझ में नहीं आ रही है भाई, उसके पास नॉन वर्बल चिल्ड्रन में खासकर अगर उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं कैसे बड़ा हो रहा हूँ, मुझे क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, तो वो भिन्नाएगा, झल्लाएगा और कहीं ना कहीं अपनी भड़ास निकालेगा. तो वो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड अभी काइंड ऑफ संयम एंड पेशेंस दैट इट कॉल्स फॉर इज लाइक ह्यूज. Shivani, I want you to ask me a question and talk for some time because I want to go and have some more warm water to give my throat a rest. And I have a feeling I'm almost sleeping off. So
another takeaway from you, what we have gathered from you, your life lesson, the major lesson which you are actually giving us is that just sit with the child and just listen to the child and do nothing. And that is something which is going to give a great communication, and the child is going to feel very secured around you. And I feel that is a great communication that you can have with your child. So if so we'll just quickly wind up. One last question that I need to ask you.
Because Abhimanyu has gone to sleep, and we are lucky we are on a day because it's about 5 to 9, which means I can party.
Okay, you carry on with your party, and if you can just grab a glass of water so that I don't feel guilty that I've been please please, or you can just place the mobile if you want, whatever is okay.
Somebody is saying thank you so much for the session. I hope they're saying it to me as well as you, so
yes.
I can't.
This session is definitely dedicated to you. There is no doubt about that. The kind of such with so much of ease you have talked about everything. This is really amazing. And one thing that I really want to ask you: how did you manage to control your emotions, and how did you manage to survive with his such upheavals like you have spoken about, that whether it was a social pressure or whether it was an emotional pressure, and how as a father, what were the strategies that you did for yourself? I mean, I'm not talking about Abhimanyu right now, it's just about yourself. So what are the strategies that you followed so that it has kept you calm and composed and so connected and so free and so easily? So you are everywhere in this forum, everybody in this community. understand and knows about Abhimanyu and Madhusudan. So how do you keep yourself motivated enough and composed? So that is one thing that I would like to, as a father and as a human being.
Brutally frank start to that is that no, I am not calm and composed at all. I'm a very volatile person. I've had to deal with depression. I've had to deal with anger, and I've had to take medication and counseling. It's been very tough. And the first thing that parents need to do is accept that as a reality. Those who have the misfortune to go this path. There are a lot of parents who are very calm, quiet beings. I've hats off to them. They've led such lovely lives. But I'm talking about poor unfortunates like me who are volatile and who react all the time and who have had a tough time. The only nasihat I can give to such people is that take time off for yourself. Whenever you feel you're going to react in front of your child, take a time out. That I've done successfully. जब मेरे को लगा कि सिचुएशन आपे से बाहर हो रही है और ऑटिज्म में आपको मालूम है कि सिचुएशन आपे से बाहर हरदम होती रहती है यार. पट्टा कुछ ना कुछ करके देगा हमेशा, कुछ उल्टा करेगा. तो उस समय सो गया इसका, तो मैंने लाइट कम कर दी. So our home activities go on. I'm sorry. Yeah. So that time you need to know when to step back. That is the important bit. And I have not been able to step back all the time because every human is different. I am of a reactive sort. My wife is not at all of that sort. Shubhra is a very calm individual, and she's been able to, tell me, touch me at that moment and say, तुमसे नहीं हो पा रहा तो हट जाओ सामने से. अगर तुम कंस्ट्रक्टिव कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे तो डिस्ट्रक्टिव मत करो. That is one. The other, so late in life I've learned is that getting up in the morning and being less dependent on आज की जो सबसे बड़ी बीमारी है, the mobile. I am very guilty of being prone to, and my job or nature was such for the last 13 years that the TV newsroom required for me to be checking messages and mail till between 9 and 11 at night, and then waking up early in the morning at 3:45 and being on the device again. If we can put away the device for the time that we are with the child, nothing like it. That बिल्कुल unadulterated non-device time with the child or the young adult will have effect. The other is amount of you wake up first thing in the morning and you count your blessings and breathe deep before looking at all the negatives. Because invariably in autism and the challenging form of autism, a lot of people are lucky enough to have peaceful autism, bright, young individuals who happen to be autistic. A lot of others have volatile youngsters who will always be volatile and who will always have accidents and who will always end up provoking you. We have that kind of children. So उसमें जिस सुबह आप जगिएगा तो आप संयम से थोड़ा सोचिएगा भाई ईश्वर ने क्या क्या अच्छा दिया है. ये बच्चा हमारा है. ये बच्चा जो है वो happens to be autistic. Unless you begin on the fact that this बच्चा is मेरा, not that I have an autistic बच्चा. अगर वहां से शुरू करें तो लफड़ा है. I have a बच्चा who happens to be autistic. That distinction is hugely important. And for more and more people, I'm suggesting that if you have anger and anxiety and depression issues, reach out to someone. Reach out to someone. Take formal counseling. हमारी इंडियन सोसाइटी में अभी ये प्रथा नहीं है. मुझे भी पब्लिक में बोलने में बहुत दिक्कत हुई बहुत देर तक. जब तक मैंने अपनी जॉब छोड़ी मैंने ये बात नहीं करी. जब तक मैं इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं हुआ मैंने बिल्कुल दफ्तर में किसी से नहीं कहा कि मैं डिप्रेस्ड हूँ या मुझे दवाई की जरूरत पड़ी या मुझे काउंसलिंग की जरूरत पड़ी. लेकिन अब मैं बोल रहा हूँ मुझे जरूरत पड़ी और बोलना जरूरी और पब्लिक में बोलना. अगर दुखी हो तो कहो दुखी हो लेजिटिमेटली दुखी हो और पब्लिक में दुखी हो. कोई शर्म नहीं है इसमें. चाहे आप आदमी हो. इंडियन सोसाइटी में ये भी पंगा है कि आदमी दुखी नहीं हो सकता पब्लिक में. आदमी रो नहीं सकता. मैं इतना दिल फेंक रहा हूँ कि मैं अपने मेरी खुशकिस्मती भी रही है कि मेरे कुछ ऐसे दोस्त थे जिनके सामने मैं रो सका आराम से. जब डायग्नोसिस हुआ तो जिस फ्रेंड के यहाँ गया एक पहले टाइम सीधा बिलख के रोना आया और मैं रोया. A young adult of 35, I cried like crazy. And even now, just recently, about a couple of years ago, I took Abhimanyu to my college, prestigious college in Delhi called St. Stephen's, and it was an alumni day. So typical tragedy, autistic boys look normal, neurotypical. So I took him along. We had lunch, and we came out, and we were in the corridor lawn gathered together. Some people knew him, other people did not. So everybody was discussing their children suddenly. So one stranger came up to see me and said, "Boss, तुम खुद प्लान कर रहे हो या इसके अपने प्लान है? मतलब हार्वर्ड जाएगा कहाँ जाएगा?" बिकॉज सब यही बात हो रही थी कि हार्वर्ड जाएगा, कैम्ब्रिज जाएगा, कौन कहाँ जा रहा है, और ग्रेजुएशन हो गया, कहाँ दिल्ली में होगा या बाहर पढ़ा होगा, स्कूल हो गया. इट वॉज अ वीक मोमेंट फॉर मी. आई गॉट कॉट. मैं वहां तो चुप, लेकिन मैं घर आया अपनी बीवी की गोद में सिर रख के. I couldn't stand it. She knew something was seriously wrong. I just wept and wept. You know, because despite everything, despite acceptance of differenceness, कोई जब ऐसे बोलता है ना तो आपको लगता है यार हम तो मिस कर गए, बस हमारी बस मिस हो गई और हमारा बच्चा उनके बच्चे जैसा नहीं, हमारा बच्चा हार्वर्ड नहीं जा रहा है. You know, फिर बाद में ध्यान आता है कि हमारा बच्चा है और उसमें ना छल है, ना कपट है, ना कुछ है. और ये मैं चीज हमेशा दोहराता हूँ. आई वांट टू एंड विद दैट नोट दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सेंट ऑन वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग एवरीवेयर ऑन एंड फाइंडिंग desperate need to fit in. My personal theory has been that of course there's a need, and you need to keep looking at your child and finding out what he's good at. But if some children like my son are not perceivedly good at anything, there's no hurry for me. There's economic pressure. We all want to provide for their future and everything, or want themselves to be independent as independent as they can, even in a permanent institution that they go to. But the lesson that I learned was Abhimanyu used to come on Sundays to visit me at NDTV because मेरी छुट्टी नहीं होती थी. I used to work all weekends so that I could get weekdays off with him. So on Sundays he would come and he would roam around. The moment he would come up, two sections of the NDTV newsroom, the NDTV.com as well as the newsroom. Excuse me, I'll just a call. So both sets of people would meet him, and मेरे दंदनाते हुए जाता था जिसके यहाँ और बच्चे होते हैं काम करते 20 के. The average working age is 20 to 30. They all had chips and juice and biscuits. He would raid all of them. खा पी के निकल लेते और जिस को बोल के ऊपर भी. तो वो 2 हफ्ते बीच में नहीं आया. And you know that TV newsrooms as well as web newsrooms are very tense places. There's very and it's not easy to there, and it's high. It's very tense, moment to moment demanding work. तो एक बच्चा मेरे पास आया जब 2 संडे क्या हुआ, हमारा ड्राइवर नहीं था या अभिमन्यु थोड़ा बीमार था, वो नहीं आया. तो उसने आके मेरे से पूछा कि वो क्यों नहीं आया. तो मैंने ऐसे बोला यही बात थी क्यों, यू नो. एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी, मुझे मालूम है आप उसको इसलिए लाते हो कि आपको लगता है कि उसको लोगों से मिक्स करते रहना चाहिए और उसके लिए अच्छा है. लेकिन मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ कि उसके लिए ही नहीं, वो हमारे लिए अच्छा है. वो क्यों अच्छा है? क्योंकि इन आवर news environment there's nobody else who comes with without absolute any chal kapat, without anything कि मैं डिमांड में तुम्हारे से आगे निकलूंगा.
without any stress.
He was a tension diffuser. और घर में भी, हमारे मोहल्ले में भी यही है, जो लड़के फुटबॉल खेलते हैं उसकी उम्र के, वो भी यही कहते हैं कि जब आता है तो एकदम से जितनी भी जो वैर भाव है, टेम्परेचर है, वो थोड़ा गिर जाता है कि भैया मुझे ना तुमसे कुछ मांगा, मैंने तुमसे मांगा, तुमने दे दिया, ठीक है. एंड अभिमन्यु इज लाइक दैट. जूस बहुत जोरों शोरों से मंगाएगा, कोक, यू नो, पानी से लेके बियर, रम तक पी लेता है, वाइन जब मूड होता है. बट नहीं दो तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई फर्क पड़ गया या आसमान सर पे उठा लेगा कि नहीं मेरे को चाहिए ही चाहिए. गाने पे जरूर अड़ जाता है. जिस किसी मोमेंट जब टीवी चाहिए हो तो ही कांट हैंडल द रिमोट हिमसेल्फ. वी स्टिल टीचिंग हिम, ही वांट द रिमोट. बट माय बॉटम लाइन देयर इज, again I come around full circle, that value your children for what they are, for their very existence. If you start having expectations, you should have expectations, you keep raising the bar, you keep making an effort. It's like the Gita, you know, rather than look at a goal, make the effort, keep making the effort.
Thank you so much, Madhusudan. And just to wind up, I just want to read a couple of lines of Mr. Hasmukh Sapnawala, who is just in this morning. He's also a father, I'm sure, and he's a homeschooler. So he's written, just because you don't see tears in my eyes doesn't mean I haven't struggled through cloudy skies.
Just because you haven't seen my sacrifice doesn't mean I have enjoyed working in ties. Only when you become parents, you will realize that you were the silver lining in my cloudy skies. And with this, I would just like to round up the whole conversation. And this was beautiful. I hope we learn from you and from Abhimanyu how to live without expectations and live the life just the way we have been given and granted, accept it, and move ahead. Thank you so much, Madhusudan. And this was a wonderful, wonderful
Like the
conversation.
name Hasmukh Sapnawala, that says it all. Hasmukh Sapnawala.
Yes, beautiful lines. It's a long poem he's written. I just read a couple of lines.
Thanks
Thank
a
you
lot.
so much. Thank
Now
you
you
so
know,
much.
I don't know how to go non-live. Namaskar. Super.
Bye bye. Good night. Good night.
Good night.